Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at something that I kind of think I need. And this is a pen case. And I found one on Amazon that I wanted to check out. And it's supposed to hold 12 pens. And I have not opened it yet, so this is going to be a new experience for both of us. So let's open this thing up and take a look. And the pen case itself ran about $13 on Amazon. So if it's a good-looking pen case, it might not be a bad price. The question is it a good-looking pen case? So, alright. Let me get rid of that. So here's the pen case. Alright. How do I get into the pen case? I don't. It's a trick. Alright. I have a solution. Alright. So here's the pen case in question. Alright. So first of all, I thought of something that I wanted that this does not have. I wanted the pen case to open up like this instead of like this one does, like a reporter notebook. So that is already one thing that I found that I want to change. And so let's see. I guess it opens like this, and then you have the divider to protect the pens, and then like this. Alright. That's okay looking, I guess. I don't think I think I want one that opens like this though. And I should have thought of it when I was ordering it, that I should have looked for one of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, well let's grab some pens. And I grabbed an assortment of pens of different sizes. So let's give it a shot. See what all we can fit in this pen case. I guess the first thing is, let's start with a couple of Pilot Metros. These are probably one of the more standard things that we can try. So let's see. Alright. Slides in not too bad. And like so. And like so. I don't know. It doesn't feel like this is abrasive, but alright. Try a little thin pen. And this one over here on this side, like this loop, is definitely a smaller size. Maybe a little bigger pen. See how this one does? Alright. So this is an issue. You see? Alright, so it's not. How far can I push it down? Okay. That doesn't seem to interfere with the closing of it. So that's not bad. There seems to be a decent amount of space. And we'll try this one. Alright. I can tell you that the rubber here, you're getting a lot of resistance from the rubber there. So you might want to stick with more metal pins. Alright. I'm wondering. So I guess it's intended so the pens are tip up, I guess. And then that way when you open it like this. It's not bad. I think I want it to open the other way. I want it to be more of a this way instead of this way. Anyway, it seems to work, and it doesn't look awful. It's not too bad to handle. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Is there a... If anyone knows of a good pen case, like about maybe this size, that opens this way versus the reporter style notebook way this one opens, let me know in the comments. And I'll include a link to this in the description if you want to check it out. And if you have anything that you think I should take a look at, let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.